Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with LegalZoom step by step clearly. Visit the LegalZoom website to familiarize yourself with their services. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Choose the specific asset protection service you are interested in. Consider options such as creating an LLC, a trust, or a registered agent service. Select the plan that best meets your needs. Fill out the necessary information in the online form. Provide details about the type of assets you wish to protect. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your order and proceed to payment. Check your email for confirmation and gather supporting documents as indicated in the confirmation email. Follow up on any additional information or verification requests. Once your application is processed, monitor your account for updates. Receive official documentation confirming your asset protection. Store these documents in a safe and secure location. Regularly review your asset protection plan to ensure it remains effective. Consider consulting with a legal professional for personalized advice. Stay informed about any changes in asset protection laws that may affect you. Utilize LegalZoom's resources for ongoing support and guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.